Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use integrated graphics to improve render speeds. So if you don't have a GPU, except for integrated, either you poor like me or just stupid. I will just render my intro video, which is in 4K, to experiment. Now, make sure we have enabled hardware support in our project. After that, we will head to render the video with hardware acceleration. Choose the codec you want to encode in, then head for video settings. I will disable audio as my project doesn't have one. Make sure you have chosen hardware encoding option. Choose a bitrate value as per your need. I will choose around 16. Let's start the rendering process. You can see my CPU temperature on bottom right, as well CPU and RAM usage on right side. Around 100% usage of integrated graphics. Render done in around 2 minutes. Let's change the settings back to software encoding and start the rendering process. No GPU usage this time. Took me around 10 minutes this time. The benefit of software one will be that it will be smaller in file size, compared to hardware one. So guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and share my video, and if you have any suggestions or doubt, please leave it down in comment section.